Welcome back, family. AVS here. Now take a look at this footage. This footage was filmed in Israel. And the question that I want you to ask yourself when watching this footage is, first of all, what exactly is taking place here? What is taking place visually and what is taking place audibly? And second of all, why are these type of clips that are filmed in very high quality? They are 100% not faked. Why is it that these type of clips are not researched? These type of clips are not discussed? Why? And also, thirdly, do you think that this clip has anything to do with biblical prophecy? Take a look.
מאיפה זה מגיע? תקשיב. צלם מלמטה. איפה זה? מה? תביא את הטלפון.
וואו. וואו, מה זה?
Now don't go anywhere, because if you thought that was strange, there's more. These sounds are happening all over the world, and they have been for years, but there's no explanation. In fact, there have been times where these sounds have been discussed on the news, but there was no definitive conclusion about what these situations actually are. What exactly is taking place? Now, before I show you the rest of the clips, if you can do this for me, it would help me out more than you can imagine. Smash that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and share this video with somebody else who may enjoy it. And the reason I'm saying this is because I've been reading my comments, and some people have told me that they've been unsubscribed from my channel when they didn't actually unsubscribe and they had to resubscribe. So double check that you are subscribed, and be sure to check back on my channel once or twice a week to make sure that you haven't missed any videos. Without any further ado, take a look at these clips.
I'm hearing, looking out my window right now, hearing some strange sounds out there. I have no idea what the hell they are. It's rattling the earth around here. We're in Long Island, January 18th. And it's loud. You hear that? You hear that? Is that?
What?
I have no idea, like, it's coming straight out of the sky. What is that? This is for you YouTube people, you hear that?
feel that? I can feel it. Yeah. It's like earlier. I don't know. But it sounds like it's like, I don't know. I can actually feel it vibrating. Really? It's like this hum. Yeah. You guys hear that too?
It's even got my rabbit standing up. Check them out. That's scary. Holy. Okay. It sounds like, oh no. In the sky, hard to see, really hard to see. Like, it's all clouds too.
Oye,
Y está raro, man.
¿qué es esa picha? ¿Qué es esa picha?
Y, man, está raro.
Esa picha, ¿no?
So there you go, family, you witnessed it for yourself, and as of now, there is no conclusive explanation about this situation. Oh, that sounded quite cool. I love you very much, family. I pray you have a beautiful day. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you do smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. But you want to know something even more epic than strange sounds in the sky and unexplained phenomenon? The Most High, the Creator himself, Yahweh, brought forth his word. His word became flesh and dwelt amongst us around 2,000 years ago. This is the man you've probably heard of, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, Yahushua HaMashiach. He died, his blood was shed, and he rose from the dead on the third day. If you believe in him, you shall not perish but have everlasting life. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have everlasting life. So give your life to the Most High today, turn to Christ, believe in him. He is the way, the truth, and the life. He's the only way to the Father. I love you so much, family. I pray you have a beautiful day. If you want to support the content financially, consider becoming a channel member by smashing that join button. And I also have a Patreon, patreon.com/SaintAVS. Discord.gg/AV is a place where you can gather and communicate with like-minded people. Apart from that, may the Most High Yah shine his face upon you always and give you peace. And I'll see you on the next one. Shalom, shalom.